Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Toyota Sienna. First, ensure you have all the required tools and a new water pump ready. Begin by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for safety. Next, carefully drain the engine's coolant into a suitable container. You will then need to remove any belts or components that block access to the water pump itself. This preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Once you have clear access, carefully unbolt the old water pump from the engine block. Be prepared for any residual coolant to spill out. After removing the pump, it is essential to thoroughly clean the mating surface on the engine block. This ensures a proper seal for the new pump. Take a moment to inspect nearby hoses and belts for wear, replacing them if necessary to prevent future issues. Now, install the new water pump, making sure to use a new gasket or the specified sealant for a leak-free seal. Torque the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Reattach all the components you removed earlier, including any belts, ensuring they are properly tensioned. Finally, refill the cooling system with the correct type and amount of coolant, bleeding any air from the system as you go. After everything is reassembled, start the engine and let it run, carefully checking for any signs of leaks around the new water pump. Keep a close eye on the engine's temperature gauge to ensure it operates within normal limits. Top off the coolant reservoir as needed after the engine cools. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This final check confirms your successful water pump replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.